Do you struggle to get your daily dose of nutrients? In the hustle and bustle of daily life, ensuring a balanced diet can sometimes feel like a daunting task. But don't worry, adding an extra boost of nutrients to your diet can be as simple as blending a smoothie. Here are 5 creative smoothie hacks to sneak in those extra nutrients. 1. Add vegetables. It might sound a bit unusual, but vegetables can blend seamlessly into a fruity smoothie. Spinach, kale, beetroot, and even cauliflower can be a great addition to your smoothie, providing a variety of vitamins and minerals. 2. Incorporate seeds and nuts. Chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds, or walnuts not only add a nice crunch to your smoothie, but are also packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Just remember, a little goes a long way. 3. Use a high-quality protein powder. Choose one that's plant-based for a vegan option, or whey protein if you're not plant-based. This can help keep you full longer and aid in muscle recovery, especially after a workout. 4. Add spices and herbs. Turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, or fresh mint can add a unique flavor to your smoothie and also have numerous health benefits. They're known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can aid in digestion. 5. Don't throw away those ripe bananas. Freeze them instead. They'll add a creamy texture to your smoothie and are a great source of potassium. To summarize, these smoothie hacks not only enhance the taste of your smoothie, but also boost its nutritional value. Adding vegetables provides a variety of vitamins and minerals. Incorporating seeds and nuts gives you fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Using a high-quality protein powder can help keep you full and aid in muscle recovery. Spices and herbs add a unique flavor and offer health benefits like anti-inflammatory properties. Lastly, using frozen bananas adds a creamy texture and a good dose of potassium. So next time you're blending up a smoothie, remember these hacks. They're easy, creative, and a great way to sneak in those extra nutrients. Your body will thank you for it. Enjoy your healthy and delicious smoothie. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and while you're at it, head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great smoothie tips and recipes.